What is up, guys? It is the Marvel Maker. Today I will be giving you another special review of something I've been working on for quite some time because it's really hard to perfect and to make it stand. Today I will be presenting the Infinity Blade from Fortnite. This came out actually a month ago, but I actually don't know why they had to take it away. But as you could see, I finished it for once actually. There's so many trials and errors because I literally had to go buy an expensive silver Sharpie just to get this outline. And I also finished the Stormbreaker and Thor's hammer with the silver Sharpie. Actually, I used everything though. I need to actually go buy more. But let's see. Let's start from. I actually didn't get to finish the bottom because I have to post this tomorrow. So well, there's a tip part. Wait for it. Oh, it got bent. The tip part always bends. I do not know why. I can't believe they should really add this back in Fortnite. Let's just see if I get. Yep, you see it's so big. Well, this will be my Marvel movie in 2019 summer. Make sure you guys like and subscribe for more because this also might be a giveaway. Let's see what else I've been working on. I'm also working on Squad Launcher, the Fortnite RPG, and I'm actually working on a new suppressed sniper. I don't know why. I'm gonna start making like the Ice King's axe. I'm gonna be also working on that one. I just started today actually, but this is a one-of-a-kind sword. Let's go zoom out more a bit. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. The Marvel Maker. We'll see you guys soon. Goodbye.